released in 1962, the EJ was right up to date with GM's international design trends. Its clean and contemporary styling propelled GMH out of its FB EK 1950s into the middle of the swinging 60s. It was the first Holden with metallic paint and automatic transmission as standard. The EJ production run also included the 1 millionth Holden, a gold Premier. This particular car is no stranger to stardom. It appeared in the ABC miniseries The Easy Beats and the Australian television drama program The Love Child. An Australian icon vehicle that's now highly sought after and very collectible.